Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Today guys, I will show you another one, a party favor, a DIY that you can use it to your baby shower. So, just keep watching guys. So, this is my DIY party favor that I'm going to show you and how to make this one, and that you can use it for your baby shower. And hope you guys please keep watching until the end of my video. And this is oh my goodness, I'm having a hard time to tie this. OMG. I can do it. I can do it. There. Oops. I'll try one more. There you go. There you go, finally. And I will try to figure out right now in how to put this one. How to attach it. I don't think so. Maybe I just put it here. I don't know. OMG, there you go again. I'm gonna tie this again. What's going on? There you go, finally. Maybe I just put it here outside. But I cannot wait to show you guys the outcome of this party favor. I'll put this one also ribbon, so it look neat and look cute. So there you go. And probably I'm gonna be add more, a little bit, one more ribbon. I'll make a small one to attach. So there you go. So I'm almost done. And I'm going to put this also embellishment, or like this one. This is a cute party favor, guys, that you can use to your event, for baby shower or a baptism. Also, I think you can use this too. Yeah, they're so cute. And I'm almost done. There you go. How's that look, guys? Isn't cute? So I'm almost done here. So this is gonna be my last one to put embellishment on top of it. So there you go. So hopefully guys, you like my video, DIY party favor. And if you're first time here to my channel, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and share, and please subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell, so just keep your posts updated every time I post my new video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys next time.